We are live. What's going on, guys? What is going on? Good morning. How's everybody doing, man? How's everybody doing? I was a little bit busy earlier. Was trying to figure out some other streaming options, but we got it though. We got it locked down, guys. How's everybody doing? Good morning. Good morning. Let's get into the chat a little bit here. See who's all here. Kevin, what's up, brother? First one in the chat. Hello, all crypto family. Good to see you. Boomer, my man. What's up, brother? Good to see you, man. Good to see you. What else we got? Tara, hello, Robin, Jasmy family. Hello, hello. How is everybody doing? Good to see you guys, man. Good to see you. Let me make sure that we are live over on X. Yeah, we are live. Perfect. All right. All right, all right, all right. Okay. Gary, what's up, buddy? Good to see you, man. Good to see you. Azarine, what's up? Good to see you, man. Welcome, welcome. I'm good and surprised to see some green, to be honest. Yeah, no kidding. Look at that, eh? A little bit of green, little breath of fresh air, right? What's up, brother? Jasmy all the way, 100%, man. 100%. Craig, what's up, all? Good to see you, man. Danny in the house. Yes, Jasmy is king. This bull run, absolutely, man. Abso-freaking-lutely. All right, let's give you guys a few more minutes to kind of come into the chat. So yeah, guys, just so that you guys know, just so that you guys know, I'm getting asked by a lot of people about the fact that they don't want to hook up Google Pay, but they want like to be a member and stuff like that of the channel. So what I did was, I mean, I've had it for a little while, but I activated my Patreon, and I'm going to be doing special live streams only on Patreon, probably twice a week. So if you want to get down on that, I started adding the link in the description there. So. Dwayne, what's up, buddy? Good to see you. Rickaroo, what's up, man? Good to see you, brother. Good to see you. Yeah, so let's get into it here, guys. Have a quick little look at the market. Jasmy up 3.2%. It's pressing up against that 1 cent 9 again, eh? Very nice. Very, very nice. XRP 50 cents. Sandbox looking juicy. Some good pump action going on this morning, guys. BTC's holding what? 64.4. I still think, guys, we're going to see some sideways choppy action until, probably till a couple of weeks from now, just like I showed you guys in the stream last night. And then we're probably going to see, somewhere around a 20 to 25% correction, I think, before we start working our way up finally. So that's what I foresee happening, guys. I would recommend being ready for all situations, man, in case we do see that 20 to 25%. Like in 2017, we dropped 40%, right? Like 38 to 40% or something like that. So I don't think it'll be that harsh this time. I think it'll be closer to like 20 to 25, maybe 22. But I'll be ready for it, guys, so that you know and you're not panicking and stuff like that, right? So absolutely be ready, man. Be ready. We are seeing signs of further downside. Crypto Goddess in the house. How are you? Hello, hello. Beebs. Good afternoon, future crypto millionaires. What's up, buddy? Good to see you, man. Good to see you. The gang's all here. You love to see it, guys. You love to see it. All right, let's get into some of this content we got here this morning. So check this out. Mr. Hara-san himself did an interview at the Teams Web3 AI Summit 2024. Unfortunately, it's in Japanese, so we can't listen to it. Well, we could, but we would not understand a lick of it. So hopefully we get a translation. But yeah, Hara did a big interview here over at the Web3 Summit. I love to see him out there doing his thing, guys, representing Junction, out there pushing the envelope, man. I absolutely love to see that. So what else do we got? 20 to 25% discounts. Yeah, 100%, man, 100%. AK, afternoon, buddy. Good to see you. Hope you're doing great. I'm doing fantastic, man. Fantastic. WF Capital in the house. What's up, man? Rob, I'm chipping away at XCN. Added another 100K coins. Oh, that's awesome, brother. That is awesome. I'm still working on Swift, man. I'm still working on Swift. You got to wait for me here. Funky, woo. Glad I checked back. At first glance, I thought the stream wasn't happening for another 7 hours. Yeah, I'll give you guys 7 hours notice that we're streaming. Oh, man. Yeah, that would be funny, eh? Let's check in on what NeoSun has to say. NeoSun says, to clarify, this means that JASMY's technology will be integrated into publicly traded companies in Japan, which is already the case, but more so in the future. Their model aims to merge the financial and commercial aspects to crypto assets and publicly traded companies with the goal of driving a major transformation in the landscape of crypto assets, guys. You would love to see JASMY fully integrated into all publicly traded or most publicly traded companies. Absolutely awesome. Absolutely awesome, man. You'd love to see that. Let's check in on Steph Crypto. Says, prediction, JASMY will go to 5 cents in May. So Steph is calling for a 5-cent JASMY in May. I would take that all day long. I do use scissors to cut my Bitcoin in. Do I use scissors to cut my Bitcoin in half? You might find chocolate in the middle if you do that. If you had over 100 quant, would you sell them and rebuy? No, I would not. No, I would not. I would hodl them for the long haul. Knights of Eternity, what's up, man? Good to see you. Good to see you. William in the house. Good to see you, buddy. Good to see you. KK. Rob, will my bags 10x in 6 hours? 10x to the bottom. I love the dynamics right now. Absolutely, man. Shadow Lord in the house. What's up, buddy? Good to see you, man. Good to see you. Let's get into a little bit more of it here. I thought that this was just absolutely hilarious. I don't know if you guys have seen this yet, but I had to show it. Check this out. Look at Bitcoin down here, altcoins up here. Let's see what happens, guys. I thought that was gold. I thought that was gold. Sam, what's up, buddy? What's the hypothetical high JASMY can reach if everything goes perfect this year? I mean, hypothetically, if everything goes perfect, I guess it depends on your definition of perfect, right? I'm targeting JASMY around $1. That's what I'm targeting right now. So some people think perfect is the lockup happens every month. The bull run starts to kick off around the beginning of Q4. Some people consider the perfect scenario, the KPIs kick in and it gets to $17. So I guess perspective is kind of everything. Juicy JASMY, 100%. Also, hi. Hey, Sam. How you doing, man? So yeah. So I guess that would kind of depend, right? Guys, if you're new, smash the subscribe button. We only need 16 subs to get to 4,500. So let's get to 4,500 today, man. Let's do it. Do it now. There we go. Okay, so what else do we got? We gonna talk about it. The halving highlights why Bitcoin needs to upgrade. Higher fees from ordinals and BRC20s. 20 may be good for miners, but they risk pushing activity to the fragmented world of L2s and harming adoption of Bitcoin around the world. Proposals for OptCat and CTV would upgrade the network and allow more innovation at the chain level, says Bob Bodley, CEO of I don't even know, the Ordinals Marketplace. So in mid-April of this year, Bitcoin will undergo its most recent halving event, meaning a 50% reduction in rewards for miners. Generally speaking, the event is seen as bullish for Bitcoin. The halving of the past have all been followed by significant gains in price of Bitcoin. Of course, this comes at the immediate cost of revenue for those mining the asset. This time may be different, though. The recent implementation of new protocols that offer enhanced functionality, as well as billions of dollars of inflow to Bitcoin's ETF, have changed the nature of the market and demand for this asset. Post-halving, we may see activity on the network unlike ever before, driving up fees and helping to compensate for the reduced block rewards. However, to capitalize on this, what is needed now is a change to Bitcoin on the fundamental level, one that can fix the very issues holding back broader adoption. The latest halving comes amid significant developers for the asset and developments for the asset and protocols, most notably the proliferation of Bitcoin ordinals and BRC20 tokens over the previous year. These assets are already understood as effectively being NFTs that work on top of Bitcoin and they have unlocked the new functionality for ecosystem that was never possible before. The popularity of these new digital goods could have a major impact on what happens to miner revenue in the wake of halving. While this event itself is slashing returns for miner blocks, ordinals, and BRC20s are driving up network fees as they're relatively expensive to inscribe and trade. What's more, this halving will see the launch of a brand new type of asset on Bitcoin, runes. Runes developed by Casey Rodamore, the inventor of ordinals, enters the fray as a similar but new evolution of the idea of building assets on top of the existing blockchain, and are designed to be a much more efficient way for users to issue fungible tokens on the network. Despite their efficiency, runes still represents yet another type of asset that will be in demand in the post-halving era. Rather than further driving up Bitcoin's block space demand, network activity, and subsequently miner fees, taken alongside the recent influx of funds from ETFs, this situation stands to offset, if not entirely replace, the income that previously was generated from mining rewards alone. The results could be that this halving may not affect miners the way previous ones did, possibly augmenting how the market ultimately responds. So is this time going to be different, guys? A lot of people are saying that, but you have to remember, a lot of people were saying that last time too, right? And the time before that, guys. So it's really, really hard to know. It's a moving target. Don't quit the race. The last 2 steps to the finish line. Yes, exactly. Sam, doing great. Got a wedding to go to this weekend. Right in time for the halving. Yes, exactly. Gary joins the member side. Welcome to the family, my friend. Make sure you're here on Sunday. We do members only live streams on Sundays. You don't want to miss those, my friend. Welcome to the family. Thank you for supporting the channel for sure. 3K Sports Unlimited. What's up, man? Good to see you. Multi-Planet Pro. Hey, Rob, what's your response to those people who say that the age of crypto pumps is over? I say erroneous, right? Those people don't know what they're talking about. I wouldn't take much stock in it, to be honest with you. And it's the same thing with people that say, oh, there's not going to be volatility opportunities in the future for crypto because, like big money's coming in. Bullshit. BS. That's what I say. And the reason I say that is because of this, guys. There's always going to be more projects, more startups, more new companies every cycle that are going to come into crypto, right? There's not just going to suddenly be a screeching halt to new companies and new technologies, new companies building blockchain tech and building on top of blockchain and GhostDAG and HashdAG. Like there's always going to be new companies coming in. Here's the fundamental difference, guys, between stocks and crypto, okay? In my opinion, when it comes to being able to get that volatility, right? There's volatility in stocks, guys, right? There's just not volatility for you because you're not an accredited investor, right? All those accredited investors, the people who are already rich, they get all the volatility, right? They're allowed to buy into companies like Ripple and all that stuff before they IPO, right? So they get to buy the stock at pennies on the dollar, and then the company goes public, the stock goes up, and then you get to buy it at $5, right? That's why there's no volatility in stocks, guys, because you buy it at the top and then it just kind of, you know, fluctuates around the top, consolidates around the top for the most part, right? The volatility's there. You're just not allowed to participate in it because you're not an accredited investor. In crypto, there's no accredited investor policy keeping us out of getting into early projects like KASPA, like JASMY, and you know, so many others that launch early, right? So until they put up a roadblock on people who are not accredited investors, there's always going to be the volatility and the opportunity to get in early on projects and make thousands of percents in gains. That's always going to be there. As long as companies continue to innovate and grow and I mean just become a new company, right? Like KASPA is a perfect example, right? These companies are going to continue to exist, right, and continue to move forward and come into the space. So there's not going to be a shortage of volatility opportunities in the future. Not until they tell you that you're not an accredited investor and you're not allowed to buy into these companies early. Only they're allowed to. That's when the volatility will be gone. Deathbank, what's up, man? Happy halving day. Absolutely. KK, buy coins, then turn your brain off for 6 months, then turn back on, sell half your bags. Yes, 100%. Rinse and repeat. The Rob Father. Absolutely. Ty, hey there. What's up, buddy? Good to see you, man. Welcome in. Welcome, welcome. Guys, if you're new, I'm seeing new faces. Make sure you're hitting that subscribe button. I'd love to have you stick around. SP500 making popo. Did we get an update from Hara about token 2049? Not yet. Nope. Well, he did an interview, but that was actually the Web3 AI Summit. So nothing yet, but we're on it. Thoughts on that quick recovery last night? Yeah. Well, I mean, what I can tell you is nothing really. I mean, a little bit of a recovery, but at the same time, you know, listen, one of the reasons, and I'm going to kind of get into it, but I'll just show you right now. One of the reasons is that the DXY is in a red candle right now. So it was red and down last night. So it's one of the reasons. DXY had a bit of a dump, but I have a big concern with what's happening here, right here, guys. A big concern with this DXY, right? Now, why, you might ask? Because this is starting to look a lot like it's forming a bull flag on the daily for the DXY. That's a problem, guys. That's a problem. Because if this bull flag plays out and it pumps to the upside, crypto's going down. Make no mistake about that. So I really hope that this isn't happening. I hope that this doesn't play out, but it's starting to look that way, man. Right? KASPA, 100%, man, 100%. Was there a reason for it? Patrick in the house. What's up, buddy? What's up, Crypto Future fam? What's up, man? Good to see you, brother. Good to see you. I've been trucking for 8 years, studied stocks, stumbled into crypto at the end of 2020. I witnessed the 2021 bull run with my own eyes. Trust me, JASMY family, hold the line. Exactly. Nailed it, man. Absolutely freaking nailed it. It's like nothing you've ever seen before, right? Patrick in the house. Hey, Rob, JASMY is like no other crypto out there. Listened to your earlier comments on Sideways, Summer of Sideways, but bet, yeah, 50 cents very soon and $1. Yes. And that's the thing, guys. It may be a slow summer, you know, which is fine, but like I showed you guys a video last night, kind of breaking down. If you didn't see my live stream last night, go back and watch it. I did a breakdown. I have a breakdown video that we watched, and it broke down how this cycle is mirroring 2017 and what happened. So what happened was, if I can sum it up, it's hard because I'm not giving you a visual here because I don't have the video queued, but what happened was at the halving, we had a little bit of a dump that day, not too bad, but just kind of a red day. And then we treaded sideways for about 2 weeks. And then after we treaded sideways for 2 weeks, we plunged 40% for a final shakeout, right? And then after that shakeout happened, it was a V-shaped recovery, right? And then after that shakeout happened, for the next 6 months, we treaded sideways. However, it was sideways in a stair-stepping upwards pattern, right? So at that point in time, you'll probably see JASMY work its way up, in my opinion. By the time we get around the middle of Q4, right, you're going to have JASMY probably be climbing its way up somewhere around that 30 to 40 cents. And then we hit the parabolic phase of the bull run where things really start to lift off, right? That's where JASMY makes its way up to $1 and beyond. So that's what I project for the year. However, as always, guys, like I say, it's a moving target, right? So you have to remember that. Why would it pump when the economy sucks? Yeah, well, you're talking about the DXY? Nice with the super chat. Thank you so much, man. You're such a fantastic supporter of the channel. I appreciate you, bro. I appreciate you so much. Rob, you're the man. We're going to have a JASMY party in my island, the Bahamas. Oh, dude, you can fricking count me in for that, man. Holy crap, that would be epic. That would be epic, man. I'm in. I'm down. We're going to have a JASMY party. Book it. Bahama Mama's on me. 100%, man. 100%. That's going to be a fantastic time. I would definitely be down, man. Definitely. What else do we got, guys? If you're just coming into the stream, just wanted to let you guys know that I did create because I've been getting asked all the time, guys. So I did create a Patreon. I'm going to be doing for the Patreon. I'm going to be doing probably 2 special live streams a week, just in the Patreon. It's only going to be in the Patreon, okay? So if you want to be a part of that, the link is down below and also in the chat. I put it in the chat as well. So I'm going to be doing, Patreon specific streams if you want to join that instead. And the reason I say that, guys, is because a lot of people tell me they don't want to hook up Google Pay. They can't. They're having troubles with it. They've been asking me to create a Patreon, so I created one. Links in the chat, links in the description of the stream, and it will be in the description of every video moving forward. I will be doing Patreon only live streams on Wednesdays for starters, and then I'll pick another day, maybe like maybe we'll do Wednesdays and Fridays or something like that. But Patreon only live streams if you want to be a part of that. I'm here. Don't worry, Rob. Brian in the house. Good to see you, man. Do you know any good crypto courses out there from foundation level to experts? You know what? I do have some friends that do have courses and stuff like that. So Balaclav, man, shoot me a private message in the Discord. Let me do some looking. I'll find one that's good that I can recommend to you, and I'll put you in contact with them. So shoot me a DM over in the Discord, man. I got you covered. Chris with the super chat. Thank you so much, brother. Thank you so much. Very, very much appreciated. Your dogs are absolutely adorable, by the way. I'm a big dog guy. I'm a big dog person. So absolutely adorable dogs, man. I love it. Thank you for the super chat, my friend. Any thoughts on Telcoin? Telcoin's actually doing really, really well right now, isn't it? It's ranked number, I want to say it's ranked number 10. Am I right? Hang on. Let's have a look. Pretty sure we're ranked like number 10, right? No, we're not even close. Toncoin's what I'm thinking of. Toncoin. Okay, Telcoin. Let's have a look at Telcoin. Well, $237 million market cap. Tokenomics, about 77% of the supply in circulation. Oh, they're on Matic, Polygon ecosystem. Why are they on Ethereum here in MetaMask then? Matic has its own network on MetaMask. So why does it say Ethereum? That's weird. I like that it's on Matic. Low cost, high quality financial products for every mobile phone user. Ooh, I like that. I like that. Well, they're very active on their socials. I've heard a lot about it. Send money smarter. Telcoin creates a low cost, high quality financial product for every mobile phone user. I really, really think this is a great utility. Who doesn't have a phone, guys, right? I mean, homeless people can utilize this, for crying out loud. Trade digital assets on DeFi. Nice. I like it. I like it. And let me tell you something. It's got a reasonably low market cap. All-time high was 6 cents, I want to say. Yeah, all-time high was 6 cents. You can get it on KuCoin, Uniswap, QuickSwap, BitTrue. BitTrue is one of my favorite exchanges, to be honest with you. I like it, man. I think it's going to smash its all-time high. It's definitely going to smash its all-time high. What's the all-time chart look like? Yeah, where was all-time high? 3 cents? Yeah. It's going to do fairly good, man. It's going to do fairly good in my opinion. Yeah, the DXY aren't countries trying to move away from the dollar. I figured it would be. Yeah, I know, man. It's aggravating. I don't know why it's I don't know why it's pumping right now. It's driving me nuts, man. Like, I got to get to the bottom of it. I got to get to the bottom of it. Because it's one of the contributing factors to why the market is down in crypto and all risk on assets, right? Thank you, Rob. I'll do it now. No problem, brother. No problem. Will members have access to the Patreon videos? The Patreon is a completely different thing. There's not going to be pre-recorded videos right now for the Patreon. It's just a live stream. So yeah. But what I could do, I mean, I could upload the members only videos from YouTube onto the Patreon as well. I could do that if you guys want. I definitely could do that. Facts, 100 billion supply. Yeah. Rob, I put in 10 hours overtime this week. OT is going to crypto investments. OT now means rest now, play later. Let's go. Yeah, the problem with working OT is that you earn, you do like 10 hours of overtime. It feels like you get paid for one, right? They tax the hell out of you. Do you have a different username on Discord? Nope. Discord's the same. My name on Discord's Crypto Future. So, Armed to fight you. What's up, buddy? Good to see you. Mr. B, happy Friday. Good. What's going on, man? What's going on? Another dog. I love it. I love the dog pictures today, guys. Very, very bullish on the dog pictures. I'm a big dog guy. I am a big, big dog fan. So, absolutely, man. All right. Yes. Guys, if you're new, like I said, make sure you're hitting the subscribe button. Got to keep this channel growing, guys. Got to keep it growing and going. Let's go. What else do we have in the news today? So Steph is Crypto projecting a 5-cent JASMY in May. Interesting. Check the clock out, guys. Boom, 6 hours, 15 minutes. Let's go. So exciting. So exciting. We're gonna be streaming when it hits 0. So it's gonna be funny. It's gonna hit 0, and then I'm guessing it's gonna just reset, right, all the way back up to till the next halving, right? So it'll be kind of like a nothing burger, but it'll still be fun. I was called a dog in my youth. Does that count? I have 2 Doberman Shepherds, part Doberman, part German Shepherd. They weigh about 100 pounds each. Their names are Smith and Wesson. That's awesome. That is awesome, man. I had a pure white husky, but she drowned in the river about a year and a half ago. But yeah, pure white. She was gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. I love dogs. They're so smart. Once it hit zeros, BTC to 100K instantly. Boom. Yep. 100K. Exactly. Everybody sells at once. Aloha, Ryan. What's up, buddy? Good to see you. Good to see you. Nicholas, what's up, my friend? What's up? Good to see you, man. Fantastic. Yeah. Let me just see here. So what else is going on out there, guys? What else do we have going on? Kind of a sideways, kind of nothing burger type of day, right? Not a whole bunch. Let's see what Ash has to say. Not a whole bunch going on. Bitcoin halving history. In 2012, the halving BTC price was $12. In 1 year, BTC pumped 8,000%. In 2016, BTC's price was $661. In 1 year, BTC's price pumped 300%. 2020 halving, BTC's price was $8,465. In 1 year, BTC pumped 550%. 2024 Bitcoin halving, the price 64,400, guys. How much is it going to pump in the coming year? Going to be crazy, in my opinion, guys. Crazy. Some of you guys have no idea what's about to happen to you, right? No idea. Your portfolio, you're going to look at it, your face is just going to in a puddle in front of you, right? And you're just going to be like, I don't even know what happened, right? Cryptex Finance seems like something that could pump 30 to 50x because of all the VC backing already on Coinbase too, which is huge. Cryptex. That sounds familiar. Why does that sound familiar? Cryptex Finance. Oh, it's early. It's only a $23 million market cap. Wow, tokenomics are good. Good tokenomics. I like it. All-time high 2 years ago, $44. It's VC backed, you said? It's a DeFi play? Derivatives, perpetuals, synthetic issuer? DeFi. Yeah, it's on Coinbase and it's on Gemini too. Wow. 2 big listings right off the hop like that, eh? Yeah, seems like a decent play, brother. Seems like a decent play. Do you think it will be a shorter cycle like some people? You know what? Here's the thing, guys. Do I think it's going to be a shorter cycle? I'm struggling with the difference between thinking it will be and hoping it will be, right? You follow me? I hope that it is. I hope that we peak early. I would absolutely love to take my profits in, August, September, October, November, December, sometime this year. I would love it. I would love to sell and be out for the most part and be waiting for the next bear market before this year ended. I would love that. But I don't know. My instincts tell me to stick with the 4-year cycle, man. Right? Because everything except for Bitcoin is normal at the normal pace that it should be at. Everything. Bitcoin pumped a little early. But other than that, like altcoins and everything else in the market has just been going at the normal pace that it goes at every 4 years. So that would tell me that the ETFs are just artificially inflating the price of Bitcoin. But, outside of that. So my instincts tell me to stick with the reliable 4-year cycle, pick my price points, and get the hell out, right? I know what's going to happen. We're all going to become rich. Beebs with the crystal ball. DGen popped hard last night. It was up 38% at one point. It is still my leader in my portfolio. Nice. Nice. You love to see that, guys. Look at this little Little AWT, little Abyss World update. A lot of you guys have been asking me a lot about Abyss World, guys. I'm still heavily into Abyss World. I'm counting on it. I think it's going to be a great play. So they say chess opening galore is about to commence. Are you ready? The highly anticipated chess opening of Abyss events is set to begin. This exciting event features a whopping $300,000 worth of AWT. Wow, that's a lot of tokens. Officially commences on April 20th, which is tomorrow. Additionally, attention, Alpha Test Phase 1 participants, your chests have been airdropped. Thank you for your early support. In appreciation, each address will receive 2 regular chests. Guys, you love to see it. Abyss World putting in the work. So bullish on this project, guys. So bullish. Going to 80x to 100x in my portfolio on this one for sure. Very, very happy with my bag. Steph says JASMY is currently bouncing from the lower boundary of the target bull flag. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Yes, guys, we're going to pump out of this. I'm thinking 7 cents. We'll see what happens. Check out Paul Byron. What does he got to say? Paul Byron. I don't know. Anyway, check it out, guys. Halving news.
Another tweet right here. This shows some of the cycles in the past, and you'll notice down here where we currently are in the 22 cycle. And the likelihood is we could see some pretty good volatility movements up. Now, granted, there could be some sideways and even down pressure post-halving, because remember, there could be some pressures on the miners to sell. You have the narrative that isn't pent up in terms of the demand. All of that could say cycle into this particular strategy going forward.
So just something to be
Another
aware
tweet
of,
right here. This
right. Don't expect a massive pump today, right? In fact, you could see a little bit of a dump today and tomorrow, right? Might be a good DCA opportunity. My concern is we could see about a 20 to 25% correction in the next couple of weeks. So be ready for that. Got to remember taxes, people. When you buy long-term, think 1 year minimum hold time. Yes, exactly. That's why you buy the bottom of the bear market. You hold for like 2.5 years, right? You get a little bit of a tax break there. So absolutely, man. Absolutely. That's how you want to do it. That's how you want to do it. That sucked. I'm sorry. All right. What else do we got? We got greetings from Germany, watching you now for 2 weeks. Awesome content and research. Rob Father. KK nailed it with this one. Thanks for all the info. I definitely DCA more of the sleeping giant JASMY. Yes, thank you so much, man. Thank you. Thank you. Rob, did you buy your AWT on MX? Nope. I bought it on MetaMask on the Matic Polygon Matic network. Is it bad? I want the 20% correction so I could fill up on Swift. Sorry, I'm selfish. Hey, if you're selfish, I'm being selfish with you, brother, because I am desperately hoping we get that, man. I always give the same advice. Trading is risky, and even if you win after taxes, you make about the same as if you just held long term and avoid the taxes. Yeah. I mean, you know, it's not unless you move somewhere where taxes are a little more friendly, right? But yeah, that's a struggle in itself, right? So, yeah. Anyway, guys, let's check out what we got back over here. Patrick, I'm selfish with you, Kevin. Yeah, we all gonna be selfish, right? It's gonna be the crypto future selfish community, but that's okay. We'll cry ourselves to sleep with our big pillows of money, right? That's fine with me. Oh man. Right. So yes, actually, Patrick, and I need some spell. I'm actually going to be doing a spell token video. So I'm going to start covering spell token. I'm doing it to see how many of you guys are actually committed to spell, right? So if it gets a lot of engagement, then I will continue to cover spell token. So it's up to you guys. If you want spell token coverage, videos coming out probably tomorrow. So Rob, would you say Miria and AWT are your top game? 100% they are. My top 2 gaming tokens? Yes, absolutely. Followed by probably like Sandbox, Mana, but those are more metaverse plays, I consider them. But yes, absolutely, Beeps. I'm so committed to spell. I have 8.5 million. Well, I'm going to start doing spell videos, so I would love Swift coverage. Yeah, absolutely. I'm gonna start doing. I think I did one Swift video and it got like almost no engagement. So, but I'll start doing Swift. I'll start doing spell, and we'll see how much engagement the videos get, guys. I have a big bag of spell. Nice, nice. Stay tuned for the videos, man. Someone else coined the Rob Father, but I'll go with it. Yeah, I can't remember where that started. Was able to get 400K Swift during this dip. Nice. Congratulations, man. Congratulations. XCN and Swift too. Yes, absolutely. Absolutely, man. I'm going to shift my focus, not off of Jasmy. Don't worry, not off of Jasmy. But I'll start covering more Spell, more Swift, and probably XCN as well. Family together strong. Jasmy and Swift is the play. Absolutely, man. Sand gotta get some get some DCA. Just checked my cost, $1.23. Yeah, you gotta lower that, man. Sand is 44 cents right now, bro. Gotta fill that bag up, man. Brian K started the Rob Father, I believe. Good old Brian. Yep, I believe it. Even though I don't have some of the ones you cover, I'll still hop into your videos. I like them. Love your content, man. Balaclava, man, thank you so much, brother. I appreciate that. I know Max appreciates you too. Max, he appreciates all you guys, man. You guys are awesome. It's awesome that we've kind of merged our communities together like that. So many of you guys, right, just support us, and that's absolutely phenomenal, guys. It's phenomenal. Also, keep in mind, guys, on Monday evening's live stream, I'm going to have a special guest is going to be Run My Crypto. So make sure you guys are here for that. If you don't know who Run My Crypto is, he covers a lot of Jasmy content and stuff. I think he does some Swift. I think I'd have to confirm that, but he does a lot of Jasmy content anyway. He's going to be over here on the live stream Monday evening. So make sure you guys are here for that special guest. Crypto John blocked me on his live for telling him he's wrong for saying some people say Jasmy's a scam. Yeah. Yeah, without getting too far into the whole John might be a fantastic person, but he just rubs me wrong with things that he says and stuff that he doesn't come off as very genuine to me. I think that's the problem. I watched him for a long time before I started my channel, and he's never come off as genuine to me at all, right? But I mean, maybe he is. Maybe I'm just reading him wrong. I don't know. I'm not perfect, right? I'm a person. He's a person. He might be a great guy. Some people like his. A lot of people like his stuff. So, but when he does stuff like this, Crypto Queen, and blocks you because you told him he was wrong about something, like that's idiotic. I mean, people tell me I'm wrong all the time. I don't block them because guess what? Sometimes I'm wrong, right? According to my wife, I'm always wrong. So, so there you go. Can I block her? How can I block her? Kathy Wood is predicting $1.5 million Bitcoin by 2030. Yeah, I know. I'm hoping for it, man. I'm hoping for it. I did a video on that actually on a $1 million Bitcoin by 2030. You should go watch that. Also, you were like 4K subs a week ago, already nearly 5K. Yeah, it's growing quick. We're getting close to 4,500. We only need about 16 subs to get to 4,500. So we're climbing nicely. the 28th, in about 9 days, we're going to be at this channel's 1-year anniversary. So I said you never bother researching Jasmy. He's an egotistical idiot. Yeah, I would not disagree with that, Queen, Crypto Queen. I would not disagree. There is a severe lack of research there. I remember when he started talking about a Jasmy migration, he just made it up, right? Nowhere did anyone say prior to John making that video, nowhere did anyone say there was going to be a Jasmy migration, a V2 coin. He just immediately related it to Gala and accused Jasmy of making a V2 to scam everybody, and started fighting the project. And it was completely 100% fabricated. It wasn't real. And then it started spreading around because he said it, and everyone was worried about a V. I still get questions about a V2 and a migration. There is no migration. There's no V2, right? And then he also said that there was no need for Jasmy to have a layer 2, right? Again, like you just said, Crypto Queen, a complete lack of research. If he did his research, he would have known that the layer 2 junction was absolutely necessary to launch the PDL, the personal data locker, on, right? But he didn't do any research, and then he just started saying this stuff. And to me, people like that should not be in crypto. They're spreading misinformation. And listen, I will give him credit for this. He slightly took accountability eventually, about a month ago, for what he did with Jasmy. He made a video and he said something to the effect of, I was wrong about Jasmy, right? But that doesn't really cover the depth of how wrong he actually was, right? For me, to say like this project's dead and then it doesn't die, then it's like, okay, I was wrong about this project. But he didn't say that. He said that there was a migration, there was a V2. He said that the team was scamming everybody with a migration. He said that there was absolutely no reason for the team to make a V2 junction, right? He said a lot of things that he just made up and didn't come from any source of any kind, right? So that's what sticks in my craw about it, right? He just made stuff up and then blew past it without really taking ownership for it, right? Without coming out and correcting the things that he said, right? He didn't come out and say, guys, listen, there's no migration for Jasmy. There's no V2 coming out. I'm sorry, I was wrong. I related it to Gala when I shouldn't have. He didn't say, you know, I apologize for accusing the team of creating a migration to rip off the holders. He didn't say, you know, I apologize, I was wrong. I didn't realize that they actually do need junction, the layer 2, so that they can operate their PDL. He didn't say any of that stuff, any of it, right? That's taking accountability. If you're going to make up a bunch of stuff, you got to take accountability for it. So that's where John lost me, to be honest with you, right? It's not like I dislike John. I dislike what he did and that he never took accountability for it truly, right? John doesn't like Jasmy. No, he started fighting. I just went through the whole thing. He just made up a whole bunch of negative stuff about it that didn't come from any source. He just made it up, made a video about it, and then talked about it like it was facts for a while. So price prediction on Swift Coin. This project still undervalued and still not listed on the top world exchanges. My prediction for Swift Coin is about $1, but I'll be getting out around 50 cents. So Brian, Rob, man, you're like an shepherd's guiding his flock through a minefield of shit to the pot of gold at the end of the rainbow. Thank you, brother. Thank you. That is very eloquently put, my friend. Craig, John changed when his channel got big after a couple good calls. Yeah, I hear that a lot. I don't know, but people say that. John was actually the first person I heard about Jasmy from. Yeah, he used to be bullish on it, right? But I've noticed a pattern with him, though. He's bullish on a project, and then eventually he starts to FUD that project. He did it with Gala, too. He was very bullish on Gala, and then he started FUDding Gala, doing nothing but FUDding Gala. He did the same thing with Jasmy, and then recently I saw him FUDding H-bar, right? So now he's starting to turn on H-bar as well. What do you think about XYO? I love XYO. I actually did a deep dive video on XYO. You could search my videos if you want to check that out. Definitely recommended. Fantastic utility, fantastic project. Very, very bullish on XYO. You should do well with 270K coins. You should do well. John dumped Jasmy before 300% move and never bought back in, right? He probably became a hater now. Yeah, he said at 1 cent, he said it was a dead project, and then it pumped up to like 8 cents. So anyone who bought in when he said it was dead made at least a 7x on their money. So that was, hey, he makes some good calls, right? Don't get me wrong. He makes some good calls on new projects and stuff, right? But his negative calls are awful. It's like one extreme to the other. Good positive calls, horrible bad calls, right? Hey Rob, glad I caught a live stream. Been a few days. Thanks for all your hard work and videos. To keep us informed, much appreciated. Hey, thank you for supporting me, man. Thanks for supporting the channel, guys. I mean, it truly means so much. You guys, I can't express it enough how much it means that you guys support the channel the way that you do. It's absolutely awesome, man, right? And this channel is never going to change in that aspect, man. We're never going to become like egotistical and stuff like that. So it's not like he said he doesn't like Jasmy. He said some people thought it was a scam. He just guessed on his show and he's flexing. Yeah. Yep. Thanks for the channel. Lots of good info. Much appreciated. Thank you, Plain Dave. Thank you so much, brother. Yeah, John said they said they planned locking up tokens, but that's all he heard. Yeah, well, I mean, not much of a deep dive then, right? Like, he'll cool off after a few bad calls. Yeah, we'll see. Anyone forget John? How about that Ondo? Yeah. How about Ondo? How's Ondo doing today anyway? Ondo looking like it's a juicy little pickup today, guys. I love it. Made it down to 69 cents and I missed it. Damn it. That's a good, yeah. I love Ondo, man. Exactly, especially since he has another YouTuber on his show that's what causes disinformation. Yeah, I agree. I heard of Jasmy before John was even in the space. He thinks he's a market mover because he had a few good calls. I don't know. I don't know what he thinks, to be honest with you. Wife jokes. Love it. Yeah. Kevin with the super chat. Thank you, brother. Thank you so much, brother. You're always there. You always got my back, man. It means a lot, bro. Can't wait to cold Heineken's on me one day, brother. Or Coronas or whatever, right? Thanks for being here to help us, even the ones who are bipolar with their emotions. No problem, buddy. No problem. I heard John say he plans getting his own apartment, so he's still living at home with mommy. He's not rich. He's just a talker. Yeah, I don't know his living situation. I know that he talks about living in his parents' basement. I watched a video of his, I think about 2 weeks ago, and he was talking about how he's retired. Now he's retired and he made all of his money. And I'm just thinking, well, why are you living in your mom's basement if you're retired and you're rich? I don't know. But maybe he is. I don't know. Maybe he just loves his family. I don't freaking know. Good time to DCA into Flare. What's Flare looking at right now? What's Flare looking like? Oh, yeah. Oh, I love Flare, man. Don't get me wrong. I love Flare. I freaking missed it at 2 cents. But yeah, 3 cents is a good opportunity to fill up a bag of Flare for sure, man. For sure. Very bullish on Flare. John takes himself a bit too serious. Patrick with the super sticker. Thank you, brother. Thank you so much, man. Always appreciate it from you, Patrick. You are the man. A lot of little boys got lucky and got rich in crypto and never worked before then or would have made it in life. Yeah. Well, I mean, some call it luck. Some call it good timing. Some call it, I mean, listen, here's the thing, guys. Crypto is so early. A lot of us put in a lot of work. Okay, we put in a lot of work, a lot of patience and stuff like that, but there is a degree of luck. And when I say that, it's not luck as in the projects that you're getting into and stuff. We're lucky that we're educated enough in crypto right now to be wise enough to put our money into it. That's what I mean, right? That I feel very fortunate that I stumbled across crypto and started this journey all those years ago, right? That's very, very lucky, because there's a lot of people out there that just the opportunity hasn't, the door hasn't opened for them yet to kind of see, you know, good research and good valid information on crypto, right? So there is a level of fortune that I consider in it anyway. So yeah, I feel very, very fortunate. YM Champ with the super chat. Thank you so much, my friend. Just because thanks for all you do. Hey, thanks for all you do too, man. Thanks for all of you guys for supporting the channel. We're coming up on a year, guys. And you know what? It's been in the back of my mind as the days go by. In like 9 days, we're coming up to a year. And I'm just like, man, like, I can't believe it. Like, you know, I honestly, when I started the channel, I wasn't expecting to be sitting here with like 5 people and just chatting, man. But you guys have created such an absolutely lights out, amazing community that I'm so happy to be a part of, right? At the end of the day, I'm humbled and happy to be, you know, a part of the community that you guys have built, not just on YouTube here, but on our Discord as well, right? And it shows. If you go over to the Discord, it's just like here. Everybody's chatting. Everyone's sharing information, getting along, joking, laughing, having fun, making money. You guys, we all did that together, and I'm so happy and you know, humbled to be lucky enough to be a part of it. And I want to thank you guys for that, right? Derek's listening from Scotland. Nice. That's I'm actually 85% Celtic, my friend. Mostly Scottish, but 85% Celtic. It turns out I'm first generation Canadian, so that's awesome, man. I do want to visit Scotland one day. I have family there. Buttered Sausage with the super chat. Thank you so much, man. Thank you so much. You guys are just awesome today. Holy smokes. Just found your channel. I'm holding 1.1 million JASMY. Wondering what would be your selling point? 1.1 million JASMY. If you're expecting JASMY to get to $1, then I would say that you would want to start dollar cost averaging out of JASMY somewhere around, let's say 46 cents, right? 46 cents, you should probably sell 10%, right? And then you should let it go up to about, I don't know, 54 cents, okay? Then you should sell another 10%. Then you wait for it to get to 67 cents. Then you sell another 10%, right? Lather your way out like that. That way you don't miss the top, right? Instead of trying to nail the top, because look what happened with Dogecoin, right? Everyone was so sure that Dogecoin was going to go to $1. It got to like 75 cents and then crashed, right? So a lot of people held 100% of their bags until $1 and never ended up selling. But if you lather your way out, if you do that 10%, 10%, 10%, if JASMY only gets to 80 cents, worst case, I'm just saying, if it only gets there, right? At least you've taken profits along the way and you have a crap load of money that you're going to be able to reinvest in the bottom of the next bear market, right? So that's definitely how I would say do it. But if you join our member side, we're going to be doing live streams every day for dollar cost averaging out of the market and taking profits. That's what we're going to be doing over there. So definitely I'll be letting everybody know what I'm selling, how much I'm selling, when I'm selling it, what profits I'm taking, all that stuff. So H-bar going to hit $2, you think? I know that All In Crypto thinks so, and I do respect him as an analyst. So I would say I'm expecting $1.50, but I'll take $2. Absolutely, man. Absolutely. It's possible. I keep buying Swift, $50 in here and there. That's how it's done, man. That is how it's done. Rob Proppy's still ripping. I know. Look at it. 30.7% up on the day, guys. It got down to like $2.44. And now it's like, look at this. Yeah, $2.33 was the low on it. And now it's back up to almost $4, guys. I hope some of you guys scooped it up, man. I did a Proppy video and like nobody watched it. So A lot of it is luck. I always question my picks for this bull run. Never question your picks. Just keep up with the project's news and stuff like that, right? Nick with the super chat. Thank you so much, brother. Nick, always coming through, man, for dog food, drugs, or crypto, but you can only pick one. Well, I mean, what if though? What if crypto is my drug? Makes you think, right? Good afternoon, Rob. Thanks for all you do. The level of information you provide is priceless. We'll just continue to DCA for the next 6 months. That's the best solid plan you could come up with, Anthony. Absolutely, man. Absolutely. You got this, brother. You got this locked down. What else do we got here? XSYN, what's up? Welcome in. Welcome. KASPA and JASMY. Yep, two of my biggest holdings, man. KASPA and JASMY, 100%. 100%. That's how you win. That's how winning is done, baby. This can be a fake out for the crypto market. Big dump is coming for the next huge leg up. BTC to 59K. Yeah, that's what I said last night, man. We could see like in 2017, we saw a drop down to around 38 to 40%. We saw a drop about 2 weeks after the halving, right? So if we see that again, I don't think it'll be as severe, probably closer to like 22 to 25%. But be prepared for that though, right? Be prepared with dry powder on the side to take advantage. Crypto is my new drug. Let's go, JASMY, 100%. Nicholas, the harder I work, the luckier I get. Yes, absolutely. You got to be smart to be lucky, right? I swapped my KASPA for Ondo. What a risk. Oof. I would hold both, man. I would hold both. I'm too addicted to crypto. My wife found me with a JASMY all over my nose. It's not what you think. Matic is juicy AF, 67 cents. Yes, I agree. Matic's going to do fantastic, 100%. Beebs, I'm happy with my property position, RWA, and tokenization of real-world real estate. Absolutely, man. Absolutely. I know some people were picking it up when it was down like that. Fantastic pickup, man. Do you think JASMY can hit 30 cents before the end of it? Yes, I do. 100% I do. I'm confident in that one. Absolutely. Absolutely. What else we got? Guys, if you're new here, we greatly appreciate you smashing that subscribe button. See if we can get to 4,500 today. That'll be fantastic. Thoughts on Crypto Bacon's video on BTC expecting volatility but not a crash? I haven't watched it yet. I'll have to watch it later today, and I'll let you know what I think about it in tonight's live stream. By the way, guys, tonight's live stream is going to be a little bit earlier than usual because I got to go into the bar a little bit earlier tonight for work. So it'll be a tad bit earlier. I'll give you guys about half hour, 45 minutes notice, though. It'll be up. The notification will be up. I got 62-cent JASMY prediction this year. Nice. So yeah, guys, like I said, just for those of you who don't want to use Google Pay and have been asking me to create a Patreon, I created it. The link is in the description of the stream. I've also put the link in the chat multiple times. So if you want to join the Patreon, you can go ahead and do that. I will be doing Patreon only live streams, probably Wednesdays, right? Bringing a little bit of uniqueness over there as well. So if you want to be a part of that, the link is there. I know some of you guys don't want to set up Google Pay, so I've set this up for you guys. So yeah. Luck equals preparation plus opportunity, 100%. I feel like once the PDL is up and running for everyone, plus the lockup will be such a big leg up. Oh, 100%. 100%. It's going to be shocking. Thoughts on Crow? They have a 20% staking yield. I'm very bullish on Crow. I do not hold any Crow for full transparency, but I am very, very bullish on it. I think Crow's going to reach at least $1.50 in this bull run. I know a lot of people there hold some big bags. I am very, very bullish on it. Crust is looking juicy, eh? Look at that. Tech always improving. New cryptos will be listed during the bull market. Keep dry powder aside. Yes, absolutely. I hope so, man. People have no clue what they're about to become. Absolutely. Yeah, Proppy is going to be huge. I keep reminding people I won innovation. It won innovation awards. Yeah, yes, exactly. But hey, some people will miss it. It's going to be popular later, right? But we're getting in early, man. Crypto is more volatile than most of your sexes. I've done real estate my whole life. Proppy as first mover is huge. Yes, exactly. Told my friends about Proppy when it hit Coinbase end of last bull run. Nice. Trying to help your friends out, man, you know. Swift Coin's also a huge sleeper, guys. Still extremely early. Yeah, I got some Swift content and some spell content that's coming out, guys, probably tomorrow. So keep your ear to the ground for that. XCN, Swift, JASMY, absolutely. Driving home from work. Happy having. Whereabouts are we? Here we are. 5 hours and 14 minutes, guys. I will be live for the clock countdown. So just so you guys know. And I'm going to go eat something, guys. I'm going to go eat some lunch. I will be back in a couple of hours for this evening's live stream. Make sure you're here, guys. We're going to watch the clock countdown. We're going to chat. We're going to have some fun. Make sure you join the Patreon. The link is there. It's in the description as well. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel, guys. Help the channel grow. And yeah, I will see you guys in a couple of hours. Boom. Thank you for the support, guys. It means a lot. I'll see you very, very soon.